So let me introduce you to the easiest DIY rock and roll bed, mosquitoes. This thing can be built in your driveway using just regular tools. It's made from aluminum, so you can cut it with a carbide tip saw. Just put in a regular miter saw that you use for cutting 2x4s. You need a drill. There's a jig that you can get that makes that part easy. I think it would be essential. It's about $30. With those tools, you can build this in a matter of a day, and it can be modified to fit any van to be a little narrower. You can make it wider, you can make it taller, you can do anything to it you want. When you buy the plans, I include all of the CAD files as well as a cut list and part list for it as it sits. So if you make changes, obviously the cut list is going to change, but you'll be responsible for that. Either way, this is by far the easiest DIY rock and roll bed you'll find.